Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to look at how to integrate your company's sitemap so that you can have all of the pages of your website uploaded in one go without having to do it manually. So what you do is, if you go to integrations here on the left sidebar, you scroll down to the sitemap option, and here you need to paste your company's sitemap. So for the example, I'm going to use myReach's sitemap. There you go. So if you paste it here, you click on View Sitemap and you choose which pages of your website you want to import, whether it's all of them or if you've got specific ones. You can also open up the different sections to choose specific pages that you want to upload. Once you've decided which ones you want to upload, you click on Create Website. So as you can see here, it tells you how many websites you are going to create. So if you remove some, it essentially reduces the number of websites. So once that is set, you click on Create Websites. And what it does now is it analyzes and extracts all the URLs that were listed in the sitemap. The selected websites and the routes are imported, and each page is individually processed, learned, and incorporated into your knowledge base automatically. Then the interesting thing is it also creates tags which are beneficial for better accessibility and categorization, so you can have your company's websites more organized. When the sync is activated, new pages that you add to the selected route are automatically created, and existing pages are also automatically updated. So here you see that 3 tags have been created, 38 websites. You can go directly to the workspace because with every integration a new workspace is created, or you can see it here. There you go. Or you can see it here, the new workspace that has been created for the sitemap integration of myReach. So you can see all the blog posts, the different pages, essentially all the web pages of your website. One important thing to note is that if the website hasn't been learned, the AI hasn't been able to learn it, if you ask questions about it, it will not be able to be used in the answers. So what you can do, you've got the filter for AI status here. And if you want, this is always a good thing to do, see which nodes have failed to learn. So this filters by all the nodes that have failed. As you can see here, all the nodes have been learned successfully, which means that any question that you ask, it will be based on all of the nodes in the workspace. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.